power meets performance with the THOR THHPW-1 high-pressure washer. Engineered to tackle stubborn dirt with powerful cleaning performance for your home, vehicles, and outdoor spaces. Everything you need comes right in the box, from the spray gun and extension lance to the foam bottle, high-pressure hose, and multiple cleaning accessories, making every cleaning task simple and efficient. Opening the box reveals a neatly organized package. Every component is securely packed, ensuring your THOR THHPW-1 arrives ready for quick assembly and reliable performance. Inside the box, you'll first find the water inlet hose, followed by the extension lance, the high-pressure hose, and the foam bottle for effective detergent cleaning. Finally, it's time to reveal the star of the box. Let's take a closer look at the specifications. The THOR THHPW-1 features a powerful 2,800-watt motor, delivers up to 220 bars pressure, and offers a flow rate of 8 liters per minute for efficient cleaning. Next is the ergonomic spray gun, featuring a quick connect fitting at the rear for easy attachment to the high-pressure hose. The THOR spray gun is designed for comfort, control, and durability. Its ergonomic grip helps reduce fatigue during extended use, while the quick connect design allows fast attachment of accessories, making every cleaning task smooth and efficient. Thank you for watching. For orders and inquiries, contact us today or visit industrialproducts4u.com. Like, share, and subscribe for more industrial product videos.